found some more slime holiday. So this is what we've got. Look at this pretty beautiful slime.
How many slimes are in there, Angel? Turn it round, let's count.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 slimes.
Oh, we can blow bubbles in it. There's straws.
What is it? It's a
Yeah, look, straws.
Oh, it's a proper bubble slime set.
So this might make really good bubbles.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick up these yellow.
I've never seen all these slimes that they have on holiday, have you?
These are like, oh, that feels so nice. You feel that, Daddy?
Let's have a look.
Feels like gloss.
Okay.
That feels so nice. Okay. Shall we see if it makes it? Oh, there's glitter at the bottom. So we see this is clear slime, isn't it? Yeah, this is bubble slime because watch. And then we'll do a bubble test, okay, Daddy?
Yeah.
Shall we see how good it makes bubbles? That's a really good bubble slime.
I'm gonna try doing one now.
Okay. Now, with the straw.
Yeah. Let me flatten it.
You flatten that out once I get a straw. 1 or 2, I don't know, just one. Okay. But the way did it.
It's because your straw's too high, you need to bend your head down. Right, ready? Go. Come on. Now you need, right, put your straw a little bit further in. Put it right in the middle. Right, wait, stay there, let me just tap it now. Go. Oh, there you go.
My so good slime. Every day I'm gonna play with it.
You like that slime? It's one of your best ones.
Yeah.
Oh, it stuck to my hand.
Okay, shall we mix it a little bit like that?
Yeah.
I just want to keep these like this.
You like those slimes?
Yeah, I don't want to mix these.
You're not going to mix them together?
No.
Is there another yellow one in that box though? Could you mix 2 yellows together?
Yeah, you can mix 2 yellows together because we're both the same colour.
Get another yellow one, let's mix that then.
We can mix all the 2 colours what are the same. Daddy, look how big that bubble is.
Oh, it's got a massive bubble inside. Mix that one with this one.
Because they have the same look.
Same colour, yeah. Right, that's it. And we'll see if we can. Oh, look at that! It's got glitter in it as well.
I know. I told you that the desk tipped. I don't know why. Just make shapes and everything. Look at that. It stays there. Watch this. Stays there. And then it'll float down like that. Okay. Shall we put that back in there?
Yeah.
It won't fit in both tubs. So
You can leave it into one. You can leave it in one tub if you want. I don't think it'll go anywhere, will it?
no, I like it like that.
You like it like that?
What's that smell? Really lavender.
What?
No, they smell really nice. Next, shall we
Put
do?
two yellows there.
Shall we do greens now?
Yeah, 2 greens.
These are really easy to open too.
Do you know what, Angel?
Bubble.
They've got a lot of glitter in the bottom of them.
I know, because all the
Look at that.
glitter sinks to the bottom.
Is that why?
Mm-hmm.
You like the green slime?
They break if you pull them real fast like that.
Look at the
Glitter.
bottom of it. It's just full of glitter.
Shall we try with this one, making a ball? That's what you need to do. You need to stretch out like that.
Okay.
Okay, and then you can have the straw. Quick, I need the straw. Put it underneath there.
Okay. You need to keep your mouth the same height. Oh, go on, go. Go. You got it. Go. Oh, nice bubble.
Okay, that is really good bubble slam, this one. Really good bubble slam.
Yeah.
Okay,
This kit, it says 5D.
so it might be like 3D glitters.
Yeah, it might be like 3D. It's like a special kit that I don't think you can buy them anywhere. We found these on holiday in one of the...
Look how big that bubble is.
Whoa.
That bubble is really nice. You could give some of these to your friends or something. There's lots of squishies too. So like, because you've got loads in the pack, haven't you? So you could have some colours and your friends could have some colours. Okay. That'll be like the same as that one, won't it?
Yeah.
Like that. And then, shall we do blue next?
Yeah, do blue.
Blues. I think the blue's going to be the best one because I love the colour of it. Look at that. Oh,
That is a really nice colour. Look at that one.
It's like blue ocean.
It's like the ocean, yeah.
Look at that. Oh, that's just a hole. Look, there's no bubbles in this one. Okay. They're all really clear, aren't they?
Yeah. It's like a jelly more than a slam, isn't it? It's like a bit like jelly.
I feel like we're moving right now. Do you?
Well, like the room's moving.
Yeah.
It might be because we're in a very high hotel.
Maybe.
Move your hand down, hold it down. Go on. Hold that down. Go. Ready? Ready? Go. Ready? Go. Let's get it a bit thinner. Let's get it thinner. Has to be really thin.
I'm so hot right now.
It's boiling. Yeah, we're on holiday in Benidorm and it's about
88 degrees.
About 88 degrees. Ready? Oh.
I don't think that one.
Shall I try? Can I do one? Can I try one? Let me try this blue one, what you've got here. Okay. Alright, ready?
I'll go down. Is that?
No.
Okay.
I can't make that into bubble slam.
Okay, so it's like wet at the bottom because that's wet there. Look.
Yeah, it's more like gel, isn't it? It's like a jelly slam.
Somebody might have put lots of gel in it then.
Yeah.
I can see you guys. Hello. Okay, now
Should we just try the orange one now?
I'm gonna put these two back in here.
Yeah.
Because these slams are so good. Look at my hands, Daddy.
What's on? What?
They're all glittery.
Yeah. There's a lot of glitter in this slam.
Mhm.
It's a really glitter slam. Let me show everybody.
Oh no, it's blurry. Go on. There we go.
There's the glitter inside.
There's all the glitter.
Yeah.
Okay, now I can put that one back in there. That's your straw. Okay. These are like peachy. These are peach. I think those ones are orange.
Yeah.
These are like peachy pinky. So these are like pink, aren't they?
And they're the ones they're the ones we've got so far. Orange,
Okay, now
green,
I'm
blue.
being clear pink. Daddy, look how big that bubble is.
Oh. Oh, I've got an idea.
What?
I've got an idea. Right,
What?
get the tub. Put the tub there. Put the tub there. Right, watch.
Oh, put it over it.
Yeah, put it over the top.
Okay, I'm to do that.
And then we'll put the straw in and we'll blow it.
Okay.
Okay, stretch it out over the top of the... Stretch the slime out and we'll put it over the top of this tub. That's it, stop. Now we need to get this straw.
In there.
Okay, now 10, now blow.
Oh, it's cracked. No, hold on.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, that made a real good bubble.
I think that's a good idea.
What, doing that with the tubs? Should we try it with the orange one?
Okay, let's put this back in. One goes there, and that one goes there.
Yeah,
Now
there's our collection. That's our collection of slimes. Which one? Orange is your favourite, so I think we should just do the orange one.
Shall we do white and...
You won't be able to see it if you make a bubble though. Let's just not do the white ones.
Okay, let's...
Because you can't even see them, can you? Let's do the orange.
This orange is really bright. I like that pink colour. I like
That
the
pink
yellow.
one?
I like the front colours and this too.
Yeah, they are nice. This orange one's really nice though. And that's got a massive bubble. Whoa, that was really good. Should we try and make a big bubble on the tub again?
Do you know what? We saw this lady in this cafe and she was wearing white makeup.
Yeah, she was, wasn't she?
So she was like a clown, but like a horrid clown.
A scary clown.
Yeah, it was. Really...
Hold it there, hold it in the air, hold it up in the air, like that. Oh.
Bubbles.
Bubbles, yeah.
I love the bubbles in this slime.
Stretch it out now, put it over the top of that tub. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's it.
Can I blow the bubble this time?
That's it. Oh, you took it off. But the straw needs to go inside. Right, let me do it again for you. It's working now.
Okay, let's just put that one back in the tub now. We know what that one's gonna be.
Yeah. Are you doing another bubble?
I think that's perfect.
You think that's perfect? So we've done
I'm
that.
gonna play with this a lot.
Yeah, they are good slimes, these. Angel, what about if you what about if you got this tub from your old slime and we put that over the top?
And then blow a bubble with
Yeah.
that. Ah, no, it's stuck.
Oh no, stuck in the hotel room.
I don't want it to be stuck all the way.
Have you got it?
Yep.
Right, let's put the 2 straws in first. So put that there. No.
Okay. Oh, this one's gonna be like a sandy bubble.
Yeah, but we don't need so much slime. Let's like rip a little bit off.
No, let's just put it on.
You want to put the full thing on? Right, go. Oh, that's it.
Okay. Oh, it didn't cover that.
Okay, ready? Oh, wow.
Crap!
It's wet. Wait, I can do that one.
Oh,
It's gone in the sink. Wait a minute, let me...
put it like that and then...
Right, leave it there. I'll get it out and do it properly for you.
Take the straw out.
Put the straw in there. Put it on that side.
Straw fell out. Oh.
Right, you ready?
Got a bit more here, look. Good.
Right. Ready? Is your straw in? Wait a minute, don't blow yet. Ready? Let's blow together, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh.
Ready? Whoa! Angel, that was massive!
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, look how dirty that is now.
Daddy, you need to tap on here like this. Okay. Bye guys. I hope you like watching our video.